Hello, boys and girls. I'd like to walk you through our assessment today for language arts. So I wanted you to see where to find the language arts assessment if you have not found it yet. You'll see we're in language arts here in this red folder. You're going to want to click and go to literature text assessment for May 21st. And that should bring you to an assignment that looks like this. Your assignment, once you click on it, will give you the directions that you need. So you're just going to read the story Black Blizzard. You're going to complete the assessment, which is 2 pages long, and then upload the finished assessment to this assignment. You're going to see that the rubric is already posted here for you so that you're able to see what the targets are that you are focusing on for today. You're looking at theme, summarizing, and inferring and quoting accurately. So those are the 3 items you will be graded on. Remember, we want to be here in the 3 category or the 4 category to be at standard. I want to pay close attention to what it means to be at standard for each one of these targets. So for determining theme, to be at standard, you need to accurately describe the theme using some key details from the text. That means go back and think about what we talked about with that slime strategy to help you find the theme. You definitely need to back up or support your theme with evidence from the text. So I will be looking for the theme plus evidence to be at standard. For the summary, you are going to make sure that you accurately summarize using key information from the text. So again, you should have that main idea assessment or main idea sentence, and then you're going to support that with information from the text. And lastly, we talked about quoting accurately and inferring, and you are going to need to be able to make inferences that are defensible in light of some parts of the text. Or otherwise we're just making logical inferences that are defensible in light of the full text. So what that means is, boys and girls, you're able to make a logical guess about either part of the text or most of the text or all of the text to be at standard. Make sure, again, when we use that word quote, that means we're taking information directly from the story to back up what we are trying to say. Below here, you are going to see that here are the 3 pages that you will need to complete this assessment. Black Blizzard, this is the actual text itself. So you will read through Black Blizzard, but then you're going to start with the first page of the assessment. And the first page of the assessment is asking you to choose from A, B, C, or D, which one is the main theme of the story. The second part of this question is actually asking you to provide evidence on how you know that this is the theme. Again, this is a great time to bring in that slime strategy that we talked about at the beginning of the week. If you at any time need to review, go ahead and go back into Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday to help you review for this assessment. If we scroll down, the second part is asking you, do you think Betty is foolish or brave? So you're picking a character trait, or foolish or brave, to put here, but then you have to again support your answer of why you think Betty is foolish or brave. When you support your answer, it has to be taken examples exactly from the text. So please provide evidence to support your answer and explain to me why in sentences. Lastly, you're going to summarize the story. So you're going to write the theme of the story with evidence from the story to support your answer. So now you're going to put it all together in one summary paragraph, what you think the theme is all about. So you're going to take problem 1 and the second part, problem 2, and you're going to put that into a summary using sentences, and we will be grading on your grammar and cups. The next part of the assessment, so that's just page 1. There's also a page 2 here. The second part of the assessment is just, honestly, you're just having, it gives you extra room to continue writing that summary, but then it also reminds you of the rubric so you can scroll down and see what the rubric remind you what needs to be at standard, what your work needs to look like to be at standard. Good luck with this assessment. At any time, if you need help, make sure you join us in our office hours or join me in my office hours, and I can help you out at any time. Don't be shy, please. We will see you later.